Hello, everyone. I know it's been almost 2 weeks since I posted my last video. Sorry about that. Life just kind of gotten in the way, especially after the grandson coming, just trying to enjoy him and a few other things going on. Tried posting a video later last week, but had a little bit of an accident and broke my hand up a bit, so no picking for me for a bit, but I figured, hey, at least I can do an unboxing for you guys and show off a few new locks that I got. So we'll go with that. First thing, let's see, picked up a pack lock. This looks like it'll be a fun pick when I'm able to do that again. A couple of the videos I've seen, these seem to be decent locks, so that should be some fun. Recently won a contest giveaway, and I didn't have much in the way of dimple locks, so I picked up this ABIS 75 IB50. And I will show you why I picked this lock up in a little bit. That's a couple things down the line here. Oh, what else? Let's see. Been playing around with some of these small mailbox locks and stuff like that. Nothing real thrilling. If you can see, I got a sparrow's mat now. My wife was yelling at me about scratching the desk up and stuff, so I won't use it for pinning. These aren't really deep, but it will definitely help keep some parts in order. So from there, got the Sparrow's Scrooge pins. So we can hopefully put together a couple challenge locks using these and make them a bit more difficult and festive for the upcoming Christmas. Next, if I can open it, got a nice or a decent, not real expensive, but they seem to work pretty good. Set of digital calipers for measuring pins, shackles, locks, whatever. Picks, I've had a couple questions. Is this a thick pin pick or is it the thin pick? So that'll make life a little bit easier for me. Oh, let's see what else. Picked up ABIS 5540. I've not had a chance to pick this yet, but if it's anything like the 5530, it took me a few minutes to get into, and the key bitting doesn't look half bad. It's a little high in the back and low in the front, but we'll see what it does when I get to that. Oh, let's see. Anything else I'm missing? I think that's about for that. So let's get to the unboxing. Got a little care package from one of you guys. Chaz over at Chaz's Lock Picking. My wife cut this open since my fingers aren't the most dexterous at the moment. Almost showed off some address there, so I'll try and keep that covered and see what we got here. There's another pouch inside of the pouch. We'll set that aside for a minute. Ah, that's a hefty little pinning block. Thanks, Chaz. I can definitely use this because I really don't have a pinning block. And like I said, this mat is definitely not for pinning, but just protect the desktop and keep things a little bit in order. It's a pretty thick, hefty piece there. It'll also make for a good banging block for knocking pins out of cores. So Thanks a lot, buddy. That will be put to very good use. Set that aside. Let's see what's in this other envelope. Oh, a couple Ziploc baggies of goodies. Ooh, this is going to be a challenge. Pin and pin multi-lock. Well, another reason to put the next unboxing I'm going to pull up here in a few minutes to good use. That is going to be a challenge and a half. I'm still working on regular pins and standard cores, let alone dimples with multi-picks. So that will be fun. Thanks, Chaz. Let's see. Oh, we got all kinds of goodies in this next one. Got a quick set. Not half bad. Works good, so put that to, I'll pick to that at some point when I'm healed up. Looks like a little wafer lock, maybe? Yep, that's what it looks like. That'll be fun. I've never done a wafer lock. This one says Spool Heaven. It's a Defiant. That should be a challenge. I've just started picking on some spools, so this will definitely help me out tremendously in working through those. And here we got, it looks like from the key, it's a Wink House. That'll be fun. Ooh, nice and smooth. Reasonable bidding, too. This is going to be a fun pick. I am looking forward to this. I've never picked a Euro cylinder, and my understanding, these are pretty high tolerance locks, so it should put up one heck of a good battle. Awesome. That's going to be fun. And the practice lock. Never hurts to have a couple practice locks around. Thanks, buddy. Chaz, that is one heck of a little care package you sent me. I've got yours all put together, but due to this fun, I have not gotten down to the post office. Hopefully, in a little while here, the wife will be back home, and she can help me get down to the post office and get that package off to you, buddy. Much appreciated. Thank you very much. So, on that note, let's move on to unboxing number 2. That's me. I ain't gonna worry about my address. I don't care. Some people worry about it, honestly. I ain't overly worried about people knowing my address. Worst happens, maybe somebody will send me some more challenge locks or something to play with. So, have at it, guys. This is the one I've been waiting for, and the reason I'm excited for a while now, just waiting for the postman to bring it. And it's also the reason I picked up this dimple lock from Abus. And this is a giveaway I won from Noob last week. It's a set of multi-pick tension wrenches. Can never have too many tension wrenches. And these are supposed to be pretty good. That'll definitely add to the my kits quite a bit. Nice leather case on that. And on to the main event. As you can see, I think that's a big giveaway on what's in here. It is also multi-pick. And as the bag said, it's the Elite G Pro Starter Kit. I've really been wanting a decent set of dimple picks. As well, these stickers. Gotta have plenty of stickers. I'm working up on putting a backdrop on the desk there, or a riser, whatever you want to call it. Maybe some pegboard and some solid area I can put stickers on and hang up some of my locks and open up some workspace here. So those will be going up there with some of my other goodies. And here we go. Oh, these handles look beautiful. Wow. These are going to be fun to play with. I might actually get to pick with these sooner than I expect. Those fit pretty good in the fingers. So even with the broken up hand, I might be able to put these to use really fast. And it looks like there's a few more tips in there. I'm not going to fight pulling those out. Another handle. Allen wrench. That one's empty. That one's empty. Or at least I can't see it. There's a set screw in there I could definitely see. Whoa, I almost dropped you guys on the floor. Sorry about that. Well, I'm not going to go digging too hard in here right now. A couple tension wrenches hit over there. Missed that at first. But I'm not going to fight that on the camera right now, so we'll move on to the next box. I know what this one is. It's something I ordered. I like the Valerian set so much from Andy Law that I picked up some more of his goods, and I'm knocking stuff over some more. So this one also, the wife helped slice it open for me so I don't do any more damage to my body. Let's see if we can fight. I should have had her pop the Ziploc. I didn't realize that. And this, my friends, is the Increment Pro set. Looking real forward to putting this. A couple of those new locks I got, I'll be able to put some of those reach tools to work. I went and added the knife and key extractor. Got plenty of more tension wrenches, some rakes, diamond, city rake, snake, a couple worms, princess there, and the Nessies. So those will be fun to pick with. Wonder. Yeah. No, that's not going to be fun. I can hold it, but I don't think I'm going to be able to pick with it. Those are some great looking picks, and as always with Andy's stuff, perfect. Well finished, no sharp edges. Nice and smooth along the shaft. Won't have to do much, if anything, with that. Maybe get a few of the punch marks out of there, but that won't take but a few minutes. These are some nice looking picks. Like I said, I'm definitely looking forward to putting these to good use. Oh, let's see. That's it for the unboxings. I showed you the new gear that I'd picked up and opened up over the past week since I was last online. So nothing new on that front. I'd like to thank and welcome all the new subscribers and thank the subscribers that have been following along since the start. The channel has grown quite a bit from what I expected. I'm getting a lot more views and subscribers than I ever expected, guys. It, this lock sport community is fabulous. I can't believe. I mean, look at all the goodies Chaz sent me, all the support I've gotten from some of the other pickers. Starry, let's see, Bear's back. He's definitely given me a ton of support. Thank you very much, my friend. Some of the encouragements I've gotten from Skull Picker. I still owe you a package as well, buddy. That got held up with all the fun here with the hands. So I am definitely working on that. And hopefully I'll get that out this afternoon along with Chaz's care package. Also would like to thank everybody again for so much support. It's just, I am amazed at the following and support and how friendly this community is. You're one heck of a bunch, and appreciate and love every one of you guys and gals. So we'll leave it at here for now. If you're seeing this and you haven't subscribed or followed me, please, I would much appreciate it to help grow the channel. Hit subscribe. If you like this video, please hit like. And as we all say in the lock sport community, keep it legal, guys. Don't be putting your picks where they don't belong or picking locks that aren't yours. So thanks again, and have a great day. And hopefully I'll see you real quick again, putting those dimple picks to good use. Take care, all.